Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to reset iStop on a Mazda CX-5. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the iStop system in the Mazda CX-5 here is designed to automatically stop and restart the engine to save fuel. But it can sometimes be annoying or stop working unexpectedly here, so there are a few things that you can do to reset or disable it. So, in this case, the first way or the first thing that you could try doing here is to temporarily disable the iStop feature. Now, in this case, for a current drive here, if you just want to turn off the iStop off from your current trip, the first thing you want to do is you want to locate the iStop button on your dashboard. Now, to be speaking, this is going to be on the left side of your wheel at the bottom side here. So, as illustrated, this is what it looks like. So, it should have the iStop off option. Now, in this case, what you need to do is you want to press the button once and you should see an indicator light confirming that the iStop is off. Now, keep in mind that this only lasts until you turn off the car, so the system will reset the next time you restart the vehicle. Now, another way that you could actually turn this off is by turning it off permanently. So in this case, you want to go to your cars menu on your infotainment screen, and you want to find the vehicle settings or the driver assistance section. Now you want to look for the iStop setting. It may be under advanced settings or something similar to that. And you just need to toggle the iStop off. Now also in this case, another thing that you may want to try doing here is you may want to locate the button again, and you may want to press and hold the iStop button here. So usually if you don't have the option to do it permanently the first way, you may want to do it the third way I'm telling you right now. So you want to press and hold the iStop off button here, and you should actually turn off your iStop feature. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.